In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your TikTok videos. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is click on the TikTok app, and then we're gonna search for the plus icon that's gonna be located at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and click on your videos on the right corner of your screen. We're gonna select videos, and that way you're gonna see all the videos that you have on your camera roll. I'm gonna go ahead and select the video that I wanna edit, and then I'm gonna click on next. So this is the video I wanna add captions to, so I'm gonna click right here next to the settings icon, and I'm gonna open up all the editing tools. Once you're here, you're gonna scroll a little and you're gonna click on captions on the bottom, and then TikTok is gonna start processing your captions. And that's it. You can play around with the style, maybe choose a different font or add emojis, and that's how you add captions to your TikTok videos. I hope that helps.